want to take a look at a new system I have for crude oil, CounterTrend. Developing more and more, doing more and more research on countertrend strategies during low volatility periods. We have Cobra Crude, which is done really well recently, and we'll look at a countertrend strategy for crude, and it's based on the SR CounterTrend from the E-mini S&P, E-mini Russell that we have. So it comes from the stock indexes, but we don't use market internals. We use other methods to determine this, and these are the results requiring the limit order to be filled on the entry, and then using $20 round turn slippage and commission. So if you have a $5 commission, you have about a 1.5 point slippage factor on the exit on average. And here's the equity curve. Excited about this system. One of the best systems I have seen for crude oil with such a low drawdown, and I'm excited that it's counter trend. It's very low percentage profitability, 36.57%. The average winning trades are bigger than the average losing trades. This uses a $500 stop loss, and so $500 stop loss is something you have to account for. You can take up to 2 trades per day. And again, here are the results that I showed you. Here are the SR counter trend lines. It's a low frequency strategy, so there are no recent trades that you see on the screen. The last trade was back here on September the 27th, and then you have some other trades here, some nice shorts on September the 25th and September 21st. It has a break-even stop that it got out on each time and then got back in on these trades for some nice shorts, and then a stop loss and then a break-even stop there. You see today our SR counter trend. It went through the support level. It did not signal a trade, but you get a stochastic. This is another strategy in Show Me Steady that we have. Stochastic divergences on 5-minute charts are calling some good turning points, some short-term turning points. You see this nice move up in crude oil here. There's another stochastic divergence a little bit early, and then it ended up reversing on the support or the resistance line for SR counter trend. You see some other point. There's a point up here that calls a top. That's at the end of the day, and this is kind of that's a short-term. That could have been a short-term scout with a break-even stop. It's not perfect, but it calls some nice turning points, some short-term trades, and so you can see some of the recent trades in SR CounterTrend. Again, are excited about this. It can complement a trend-following strategy for crude very well, and it uses support and resistance levels. And it comes from the SR CounterTrend from the E-mini S&P, E-mini Russell. Here's some recent trades from that: a short on Thursday, a long on Friday, and then a short today, which is stopped out. So that's the update for today. I wanted to share that with you if you want to look for a counter trend strategy for the crude oil market.